hearty good evening to one and all present over here, respected judges and my friends. The topic of my today's conclude is, should animals be used for scientific experiments? Now, for speaking for the motion, I would like to say, yes, of course, animals should be used as a material for experimental product. Because if animals will not be used, then who will be used as experiment product of experiments? Humans? I mean, I would like to ask questions to my judges and the friends. Will animals, instead of animals, we can use human race for scientific experiments? I mean, you can sacrifice the human race, the whole human race, in the name of experiments. From the very past, the scientists are doing the same thing. They are doing experiments on the animals, and they are doing successfully. They are developing medicines for the improvement and development of human race. So, if the animals will be used as an experiment product, then the human race will keep on developing and will be able to develop new medicine for the development and for the fulfillment of this human race. I mean, if you take the example of the past, from very past, the scientists are doing the same thing. They are experimenting on rats, and they are experimenting on owls, and they are developing medicines which are providing benefits to the human race. And I would like to ask questions to my audience and my judges that how much importance does a rat or does an owl or does a frog play in our life? How much importance does it play? It's just a point. We have to think about that, and we have to just keep on using this kind of things which are for the benefit and for the fulfillment of the human race. And I would like to say that these type of experiments are very helpful for developing new medicines. We can use various kinds of experiments on rats and various animals so that new kinds of innovations and discoveries can be made. And if you talk about the human race, then human race is much more important than life of an animal. Human race works for the development, and it works for the betterment of the earth and for the universe. And what about the rat? They are not as important as compared to the human race. So this is what I would say about for the motion. And for speaking against the motion, I would like to say that obviously not. We cannot. Why we can use this kind of experiments on animals just because they cannot speak something, just because they cannot say, just because they cannot go to court, they cannot condemn whatever is happening to them? Obviously not. Everybody has the right to live here. Everybody has right to be on earth, and God is providing life to everyone. So we don't have right to take animals' life. We don't have for our selfish needs. We have to protect them. We have to help them, and we have to stop doing atrocities. Stop doing various kinds of practices on animals just because they express their feelings, express their pain to us. We cannot use them in doing these kind of experiments. Thank you.